Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to uninstall a program or app in your Windows computer, then either read through this article on the Windows Club or simply watch this video. I'll guide you through the procedure. Right click on the Start button and select Settings. In the Settings window, go to the Apps tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Apps and Features and click on this option. Scroll down to the app you wish to uninstall, for example this backupper one. Click on the three dots corresponding to it and select Uninstall. It is as easy as it. You can also uninstall default apps, the ones which are shown here. The procedure is somewhat similar. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.